Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and swiping to story or tapping the camera for reels. This puts drawing tools within reach. Once done, pick a photo or record a short clip so you have content to annotate. Next, tap the squiggle draw icon in the top right. This reveals brushes, an eraser, and the color picker. You do this now because choosing the right base content first saves rework later when you layer strokes and effects. Now focus on tool choice. Tap pen for fine lines, marker for bold coverage, neon for glow, and highlighter for translucent strokes. You should adjust thickness immediately by dragging the vertical slider so lines sit correctly relative to your subject. Once you pick a color, long press a swatch to access gradients or use the eyedropper to sample from the photo. This keeps strokes harmonious with the image. Make deliberate strokes. Changing tools midway is easy, but planning saves time. To finish, refine details with the eraser or undo. A two-finger tap also undoes the last action, which helps when you overdraw. When content looks right, tap Done, then save to keep a copy locally or share to publish immediately. If the draw tool behaves oddly, lagging, missing brushes, or color picker errors, make sure the app is updated and restart your device. That resolves most glitches. If problems persist, reinstalling the app clears corrupted settings, so you can continue drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.